Hey everyone, welcome back to the Autoland, where we explore the coolest off-grid builds, unique vehicles, and the wildest tiny homes on wheels. If you're into creative DIY projects, sustainable travel, or just love seeing what people can make with their own two hands, you're definitely in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss out on our latest finds. Today's feature is something that's been turning heads online and in persona: the Wooden Camper Trike 2026. Yes, you heard that right. It's a fully functional, pedal-assisted trike, handcrafted almost entirely from wood, and designed to serve as a tiny camper for one adventurous soul. It's compact, eco-friendly, and honestly, it looks like something out of a steampunk or post-apocalyptic movie, but it's real, and it's already hitting the roads. The builder behind this project is a minimalist and woodworker who wanted to create a micro-camper that was both sustainable and self-powered. Instead of going with the usual aluminum or fiberglass, he went all in with marine-grade plywood, cedar, and reclaimed oak, giving the trike a warm, rustic vibe that stands out in a world full of metal and plastic. At the heart of this camper trike is a reinforced wooden frame, supported by a heavy-duty electric assist drivetrain. The rear section is where the camper part comes in, built like a mini teardrop trailer, complete with curved wooden panels, vintage-style latches, and a tiny fold-out porch. The interior is surprisingly roomy for a vehicle of this size, with just enough space to sleep one adult comfortably. There's a padded sleeping platform that doubles as a bench, overhead storage compartments, and even a small fold-down table made from repurposed barnwood. But the real magic is in the details. The builder didn't just slap together some wood and wheels. Everything has a purpose. The roof has solar panels neatly integrated into the design, which powers LED lighting and a small 12 volts fan for ventilation. There's also a hidden compartment under the bed that houses a lithium battery bank, charging ports, and even a small inverter for light electronic use. On the outside, the trike is equipped with handmade wooden fenders, a handcrafted handlebar with custom grips, and a rear cargo area for extra supplies. The builder even carved his own cup holders and mounted a wooden spice rack on the inside. It's the kind of build that really shows what's possible when you blend craftsmanship with practicality. Mobility-wise, it's not built for speed, but it cruises comfortably around 15 to 20 kilometers per hour with pedal assist. That's perfect for urban exploring, country rides, or setting up camp by a lakeside trail. And because it's technically a bicycle, it doesn't require a license in most areas, making it even more appealing for those who want freedom without the red tape. One of the coolest things about the Wooden Camper Trike 2026 is that it's not just a showpiece, it's being used. The creator has taken it on several mini adventures already, including a 200-kilometer ride across a coastal route where he camped out every night in the trike. He shared how people constantly stop him to ask questions, take pictures, and check it out up close. It sparks conversations wherever it goes, especially among cyclists, rovers, and eco-conscious travelers. There's also an educational side to it. The builder uses it as a way to promote sustainable living and DIY craftsmanship. He often gives talks and posts videos on how he made each part, how to work with reclaimed materials, and the benefits of low-impact travel. It's not just a camper, it's a movement, inspiring others to rethink what's possible with just wood, wheels, and a bit of imagination. So, what does the future hold for this wooden wonder? The builder's already working on a version 2 for 2026, with better insulation, a slightly larger sleeping area, and possibly even a mini wood stove for winter camping. He's also planning to release blueprints and a build guide, so other makers can try creating their own wooden camper trikes at home. That's it for today's video. Let us know what you think of the Wooden Camper Trike 2026 down in the comments. Would you ride and sleep in something like this, or maybe build your own version? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more creative builds, tiny homes, and nomadic life content. We've got new episodes coming every week, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring. We'll see you in the next one.